Thank you, Honorable Umulkher. I also confirm that immediately after the incident, about 1 hour thereafter, the Honorable Umulkher sent to the Speaker a message of regret and apology for the indignity visited on the House of Parliament with that incident. Thank you, Honorable Umulkher. Once I hear from Falhada and we get a full investigation report, you still are not off the hook. Both you and whoever did the recording will get some further directions. I don't want to open debate on this, members. Yeah? Order, honorable members, you know, if I give you an opportunity to speak, you are going to discuss the conduct of the person of Honorable Umulkher without a substantive motion, which is against standing orders. Whatever sympathies you have for her or against her, quietly go to her and tell her so that she can feel your empathy. But to allow you to comment, I will not, because it will offend standing orders. Both Falhada is an honorable member of an institution that is part of our parliamentary setup in the region, and she's elected by this House to go to Iyala. So she enjoys that privilege. So does Honorable Umulkher.